Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation tool by which you can integrate or connect many different applications together and automate your work, which consumes a lot of your time and energy. And here in this video, you are going to learn how you can automatically create a customer in CRM on product being purchased in Digistore24. Okay, so to set up this automation, you need to follow these steps, which are: connect your Digistore24 account as a trigger in Pabbly Connect. Second step is fetch the data of product purchase in Pabbly Connect. And third is connect your CRM account as an action in Pabbly Connect. Now let's do this. So to start setting up this automation, first you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you need to log in. Guys, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes. After that, you can log in and reach here on the dashboard. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to a workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add customer in CRM on product sale from Digistore24. Now you can click here on this create button and your workflow will be created here like this. And here on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. So trigger is any event and action is a response to that event. So as in our use case, the trigger would be any product got purchased from Digistore24, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to add the same customer in any of your CRM application. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger by clicking here on this window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. In our case, it is Digistore24. So you have to type DG here. Okay, and you will find your application like this. Select it. And from this trigger event, you have to select the event as new order event. So it will trigger when a transaction for an order is received. Okay, so select this option, and it will generate this URL. So guys, this is called as a webhook URL. With the help of this URL, we are going to connect our Digistore24 account first with Pabbly Connect, then we'll follow the other step. Okay, so you can read the instructions below here to make this connection. Let me show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to copy this webhook URL from here, and then you have to go to the settings of your Digistore24. So this is my Digistore24 account, and from here you can see I have the settings option, and from here I'm going to click on this integrations, and from this page you can create a connection by clicking here on this add new connection button. Okay, so when you click on it, you will find this page, and from here you have to scroll down, and from this for pros section you will find this webhook button. Click on it, and here you have to give a name to a webhook. So I've given the name as 2CRM, and from here you can select the products that you're selling on Digistore24. Okay, and here you can select the languages in which you are receiving the orders. You can see from the list. Okay, and here you can select the notifications, and you can select the events from this section. So I want this event as the payment event. Okay, I do not want to send the data when I got the refund or a chargeback or any other option. So I'm unselecting all these buttons here, and I'm just selecting this payment option. Okay, and from this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you copied from Pabbly Connect here. So just click on copy here and paste the URL in this field. Okay, now you not need to do anything else here. You just have to scroll down and click on this save button. And you can see your changes have been sent, received is written here, So we have made a connection, and here you can see as I copied this URL in Pabbly Connect, it started showing this waiting for the webhooks response. This means now you have to do a test or the test submission. That means you have to make a demo or test purchase from your Digistore24 store, so that we can capture the details of the purchase happening here in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of that data only, we are going to add the customer in our CRM. So let's do a demo purchase from here. I'm going to my Digistore24's products page, and here you can see I have this products. Okay, and from this page I'm going to make a demo or test purchase. So you can see I have created these products, but I didn't send them for approval, okay, because this is a test account. I'm just showing you the demo. So from here I'm going to make a test purchase of this ebook on PHP and MySQL. Okay, so I'm clicking here to make a test purchase, you can see. And from this purchase page I'm going to fill the details of the customer here like this. Okay, and by clicking on, I have filled the details of the customer as this: name, the first name, and all other details. And now I'm going to click here on this test payment button to make a test payment. And you can see our payment is processing here, and you can see the order has been received from to the vendor, and it is showing thank you for your order. And now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data of this order got captured or received or not. So now you can see here in this response received section, we have received the details of a new order. You can see the name of the customer, the email, and the zip code, and the country, and the product's name, like this. Okay, and now I want to send the same customer and add the same customer in my CRM application. So here we have taken the example of HubSpot. So HubSpot is a CRM application, and you can add contacts here for further communication and interaction. Okay, so I want to send this customer here and add the customer here automatically. So I am going to use this details, the test details of my customer, and now from this actions tab I'm going to connect my CRM application, which is HubSpot. So I'm selecting HubSpot from here. You can see we have this HubSpot CRM option, select it, and from this action event you have to select this create a contact with basic properties, and here you can see it will create a contact in HubSpot. Okay, so select this, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key to make the connection. So you have to follow the instructions. You have to navigate to the integrations of your HubSpot account. So let me show you. So this is my HubSpot account, and here I have this settings icon. So I'm going to click on it, and from this page on the left hand side I'm going to scroll down, and here you will find this integrations option. So you have to click here, and you will find this API key tab. Click on it, and from this page you will find this active API key. So you can copy this key from here like this. Okay, then you have to paste this same key here in this field. Then you have to click on save, and your connection will be made with HubSpot like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the email address which is required to create a new contact here in your CRM. So you can see right now in my CRM application I have all these contacts. Okay, so you have to use the data that you have received from the first step to create a contact. So now I'm going to map the details of my customer here in this step. Okay, so to map the email address you just have to click on this field, and you'll find this previous step available in this drop down, and from here you have to map by clicking on this email address. So when you map these things, what will happen, as in when the next time any order any order will be placed, the details of the customer will be placed here automatically, mapped here, and will be sent to your CRM automatically. So now I am going to map the first name as well from the same place, the last name like this, and here in this phone number, let us check if we have the phone number. Okay, right now I do not have. So these are not compulsory things. If you have the details, you can map the details. Let's check about the city or state. Let us check about the zip code. Okay, so we have the zip code, so I'm mapping this. Right now I'm leaving these things blank, and let's check our connection with the CRM by clicking here on save and send test request. So when I click here, the details of this person will be transferred, and this same person will be added here in the contact list of my CRM. Let's check this. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request now. And you can see it is showing us in this response section the ID and all these details. So let's check in my CRM if we got the contact added. I'm refreshing the page, and you can see Abhishek Chaturvedi, a new contact, which is the same one whose data we have captured here, is added here like this. So connection with CRM is working properly and our workflow is completed. Okay, now you just have to click on save here and we are done. So guys, you have to set up this whole automation once, and after that, as and when you receive any order from Digistore24, the same order, the same contact will be added here in your CRM application automatically. And guys, you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly. Thanks a lot.